Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to solve algebraic fractions. We'll start by understanding what algebraic fractions are. These are expressions where variables appear in the numerator, the denominator, or both. Think of them as regular fractions, but with letters. Our goal is often to simplify them, which makes complex problems much more approachable and easier to work with in later steps. Next, a crucial step for adding or subtracting is finding a common denominator. You'll need to determine the least common multiple, or LCM, of all your denominators. Once you have the LCM, multiply each fraction by a special form of one. This means multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the exact same factor, ensuring the fraction's value remains unchanged. With a common denominator in place, adding or subtracting algebraic fractions becomes straightforward. Simply combine the numerators, performing the indicated addition or subtraction. The common denominator remains unchanged in your result. Always remember to simplify the final fraction by factoring out any common terms from the numerator and denominator, if possible, to reach its simplest form. Multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions are often simpler than adding or subtracting. For multiplication, just multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. When dividing, you'll invert the second fraction, then proceed with multiplication. It's often helpful to factor and cancel any common terms before multiplying to simplify the process and avoid larger numbers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.